Hello there, chaps! Today we're on a quest for the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. Not just any cookie, a soft, gooey, utterly delicious one that would make even Gromit wag his tail. There's magic in a warm cookie, fresh from the oven, a little circle of happiness filled with melty chocolate. It's the perfect treat after a long day, or for sharing with a friend. So, aprons on! Let's have a cracking good time in the kitchen. The smell of baking cookies fills the house with a warm, sweet hug. Making cookies isn't just about eating, it's about the fun of mixing, measuring, and watching them transform. Everyone can join in, from the littlest hands to the biggest. Our mission cookies golden on the edges, soft and chewy in the middle, with pools of melted chocolate in every bite. No hard, crumbly biscuits for us. This recipe is tried and true, tested with help from my loyal canine pal. Just follow along, and you'll have the best cookies you've ever tasted. Imagine a plate piled high with warm, golden treats, perfect for sharing or enjoying with a cup of tea. Simple pleasures make any day brighter. So, let's not waste another moment. To the kitchen we go. Let's bake something wonderful together. Every great invention needs the right parts, and our cookie quest is no different. Start with plain flour, our cookie's foundation. Add a bit of baking soda for lift, and a pinch of salt to make the chocolate shine. Next, soft butter. Leave it out until it's easy to press. 2 sugars, brown for chewiness and caramel flavor, white for crispy edges. Eggs, 1 or 2, bind everything together. A splash of vanilla extract gives that classic, warm aroma. Now, the star chocolate chips. Use milk, dark, or white. Big, chunky ones for proper pools of chocolate. Don't be shy. Add plenty for a truly chocolatey experience. With all our parts gathered, we're ready for assembly. Mixing is where the fun begins. Get your bowls and spoons ready. The right ingredients make all the difference. Let's get mixing. First, cream together your soft butter, brown sugar, and white sugar until light and fluffy. This step is key for soft cookies. Get plenty of air in. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well, then stir in vanilla extract. Your mixture should look smooth and smell divine. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, and salt. Gently add the dry mix to your wet ingredients. Don't overmix. Now, fold in all those glorious chocolate chips. Make sure every bit of dough gets some chocolate. Here's a top tip. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Chilling keeps cookies thick and gooey. Your dough should be thick, chunky, and irresistible. This is the secret to perfect cookies. Ready for baking? Let's move on. The adventure continues. For a smashing cookie adventure, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Celsius fan. Line your trays with baking paper. No sticking, easy cleanup. Use an ice cream scoop for even cookies, or 2 spoons if you prefer. Space dough balls well. They'll spread as they bake. Bake until edges are golden and centers look just a bit underdone. About 10-12 minutes. Let cookies rest on the tray for a few minutes to set. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool, or sneak one while it's warm and melty. A warm cookie is one of life's greatest pleasures. Just don't burn your tongue. Ready for the perfect bite? Behold, a tray of golden brown cookies, crisp at the edges, soft in the middle, with gooey chocolate throughout. The smell is pure bliss, a sign of a job well done. Break one open and admire the chewy center and melted chocolate. Take a bite. Crisp edge, soft middle, rich chocolate. Perfection. Pair with a cup of tea or a glass of cold milk for the ultimate treat. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Baking is fun, rewarding, and brings people together. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try nuts or different chocolates. The kitchen is your workshop and you're the inventor. Share your cookies with friends and family. A homemade treat shows you care. Baking brings joy to any day. Happy baking, everyone!